Hard's got to get that ball right. He's got to get absolutely spot on with that. Very confident with it. Make sure, trust it. Make sure he protects his side.
Well, getting his own line there. The longest vanishing line I think I've ever seen. It's Xabi Alonso, it's left in! Joe Hart didn't see a thing. It's a soft goal, really. Xabi Alonso was expected to go over the wall. He went past the wall, and Hart barely moved. It's 1-1.
I mentioned about trusting that wall. He concentrated on his side. Watch Dante, number 4. Look, he's in there. He's on the end of that wall, and he just moves out.